Hi guys, this is a really quick video just showing you how to change the air filter on a Mercedes SLK. This is a supercharged 2.3 model, but it's pretty much the same on a 2 litre and I believe the 1.8 as well. So the first thing to do is to find the air box, which is down at the front of the engine. It's only held on with 3 clips. You don't need any tools or anything to take this off. It's a really simple job. So you just need to release those and then also release the hose clamp that attaches to the intake and just slide it straight off. That will give you access to the air filter and you can inspect it then. This one's quite grubby, so we're just going to replace it for a new one. It's only about £9 for a Bosch one, I believe. You can get cheaper ones as well, so it's definitely worth doing. The only thing to keep an eye out for is any debris that's in the bottom of the airbox. It's always worth taking a vacuum cleaner for that, just to make sure nothing gets sucked into the engine. That's the last thing you want. And then when you're done, just pop the new air filter in and make sure it's seated properly around the outside. Then you just slide the cover back in, 3 little guy rails at the back, and then you clip it all back together again. The hose clamp goes on, and then the 2 clips on the bottom as well. And that's everything sorted.